Hello, today we are going to talk about the concept of symmetric parallelism or symmetric multiprocessor system, in short SMP. In a symmetric multiprocessor system, we have one operating system and multiple CPUs are used to run different processes simultaneously. Yet all the CPUs share a common memory, disk space and I/O device. Let us assume we have a program like Datastage job to read records from a source and load it to a target warehouse table. Let us say we have three subtasks within the program for cleansing, transforming, and validating the records before loading the final output to the data warehouse table. We can configure the program to run each subtask in a separate CPU. So all these three subtasks would be running in parallel and allow the overall job to complete fast. In order to scale the SMP system, the number of CPUs can be increased or extra memory can be added or additional disk storage can be installed depending on what your job which is running on the SMP needs to improve its performance. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post in the comments section. I will reply to that. Have a good day.